I'll do the cube from here, right? So basically, I'll do the top 2 layers in less than a minute. I should be able to do these layers 2 and 3 in a minute. He says. If I talk about the stock market, no one's interested. If I talk about new GTLDs, no one's got an idea about new GTLDs. I do the Rubik's Cube and I get views, so I'll do the Rubik's Cube. Just swapping the corners over. Swapping the corners over, it's just 2 pairs. It's never like 1 and a 3, it's always just 2 pairs. I've got the 1 corner, and so now all the corners are in. H, which is a 4-piece middle move. I won't be able to do it in time.